In today's business environment, one thing doesn't seem to change. Spreadsheets are everywhere and they're used for many purposes. However, whenever an organization needs to share tools like spreadsheets across a large workforce, things can rapidly become chaotic. In the past, the only answer was to share Excel files with team members via email or network drives, relying on local hardware for processing and data storage. This approach lacks document version control, potentially exposes critical proprietary information, and may lack the polish needed for a publicly shared application. With EASA, all of that has changed. Our low-code environment allows a user to quickly deploy spreadsheets as secure web applications on your network or in the cloud, which are easily accessible from either desktop or mobile devices. As an added benefit, these devices no longer need to have Microsoft Excel installed on them. Conversion from spreadsheet to web app is straightforward and does not require any programming or IT expertise. If you can create your own spreadsheets, you can use EASA. Furthermore, unlike other conversion technologies, EASA will allow VBA and macros to be included so that your spreadsheet continues to operate exactly as it currently does. Greater detail on how to use EASA is available on our Part 2 video. Users now access the web app rather than the actual Excel file, and this completely protects the integrity of the spreadsheet, while also ensuring that the version in use is the correct one. No more version confusion. In addition, unlike the traditional management of spreadsheets, where you save them dispersed across an organization or in a highly limiting flat file database, EASA enables centralized storage in a relational database, providing a game-changing ability to search, generate reports, or conduct business analytics. Gone are the days of searching for critical company data in thousands of spreadsheet instances stored on hundreds of local drives. Advanced functionality allows you to integrate your spreadsheet with other software tools and data sources, automating complete workflow processes and data exchange. Automated email notifications, BI dashboards, and document creation can be built into your app without making any changes to your underlying spreadsheet. EASA can even enable you to implement your spreadsheet as a web service, enabling you to directly embed your application into other software applications such as Salesforce or SharePoint. If you're looking for a better way to deploy your spreadsheet functionality but want to continue to benefit from Excel's power, flexibility, and familiarity, then embrace rather than replace your spreadsheets using EASA. Streamline your process. Accelerate your business. EASA.